Alright, in the last video we kind of got stuck on this 216 cubic inches. So I want to use this for the third skill part, converting units, dimensional analysis. This would be more towards dimensional analysis and well, I guess it is converting units. Alright, so the way we're going to do this is to take our original number, which is 216 cubic inches, inches, not inches. So 216 cubic inches. And what you're going to set up is ratios. So we're going to make it over 1. And if it had like inches per feet, we'd put, or inches per second, we'd put seconds down here next to the 1. And we're going to multiply this by what I consider a converting ratio. Now the ratio that we're going to put here has to equal 1. Whatever this next fraction is going to be, its measurement should be 1. Not 1 anything, just 1. So what we need is a conversion between cubic inches and something we understand volume-wise. The best one, I think, is gallons. Is there 2 L's, 1 L? We'll find out. So over here, this is my Google search page. And what I want to know is cubic inches equals question mark gallons. And generally when you do this, Google will give you a nice little window and tell you exactly what the ratio is. So this is the number of cubic inches per US gallon. There's 1 cubic inch in 0.004329. I personally don't like working with very, very small decimal values like this. So what I'm going to do is change it. Make this one 1. And then that changes the other side to 231 cubic inches. Oops. So 1 US gallon is equal to 231 cubic inches. All right, 231. So we go back to our other page, and since I want to get, oops, this is cubic inches. Since I want to get rid of the cubic inches, I want to put it in the bottom over here. That way they cancel out, one on the top, one on the bottom. We want to change it into gallons. And there are 231 cubic inches per gallon. Right? So 231 cubic inches per 1 gallon. So when I do this calculation, what's nice about this ratio conversion is it always tells you if you're going to divide, like in this case, or multiply if the number was up here. If we use that really small decimal, that's what would have gone here, and it would just multiply 216. So let's do the calculation. 216 cubic inches divided by 231 gives us 0.94. So this is approximately 0.94. These units cancel out, and all you're left with is gallons. So 216 cubic inches is the same thing as 0.94 of a gallon. Almost a gallon of milk would fit in this container.